Top English words to use for daily thoughts. Sound fluent instantly. Are you looking to enrich your everyday English vocabulary? Want to express your daily thoughts like a native speaker? Stay tuned, because in this video, I'm going to share the top English words that will make your daily conversations sound natural and impressive. Introduction. Welcome to English Masters. I'm Pradeep, and today, I'm sharing some essential English words you should incorporate into your daily thinking and conversations. These words are simple, but using them can transform your fluency and make you sound more confident. Let's dive right in. Word 1, actually. Actually is a powerful word to emphasize or clarify your statement. For instance, instead of saying, I am tired, you could say, actually, I'm quite tired today. This small addition adds a touch of naturalness to your sentences. Word 2, probably. When talking about something you're uncertain about, probably is your go-to word. For example, I'll probably go to the gym after work, or it's probably going to rain later. It helps make your thoughts sound more fluid and realistic. New tip. According to English language experts, including words that convey uncertainty or possibility, such as maybe and probably, can make conversations feel more authentic. Native speakers use them to soften their tone and sound more approachable. Word 3, honestly. This word adds sincerity and emphasis to your opinions or statements. For example, honestly, I didn't expect the movie to be so good, or honestly, I need a break. Adding honestly can make your speech sound more genuine and relatable. Word 4, actually vs. honestly. While these two words seem similar, actually is used for clarifying facts, while honestly expresses sincerity. Practice using both to add variety to your sentences. Word 5, definitely. Definitely is perfect for showing certainty. For example, I am definitely going to finish my project today, or this is definitely my favorite dish. It helps convey confidence and assertiveness in your speech. I found an interesting insight from online language resources. Words that express emotions, such as amazing, frustrating, or wonderful, make your thoughts more engaging. For example, today was amazing because I finally completed my big task. Including these adjectives makes your sentences vivid and impactful. Word 6, although. Although is great for contrasting two ideas. Instead of saying, I like tea, I also like coffee, you could say, although I like tea, I also enjoy coffee. It adds depth to your sentences and makes them more complex. Word 7, actually, honestly, and definitely. Practice. Try this exercise. Think about what you did today and incorporate these words into your thoughts. For instance, honestly, today was tiring, but I definitely made progress with my work. This will help you get comfortable using these words in daily conversations. Conclusion. Incorporating these words into your daily thoughts and conversations will make your English sound more fluent and natural. Practice using them in sentences every day and notice how your confidence improves. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to English Masters, and share in the comments which word you'll start using more often. Want more daily English tips? Check out my other videos for exercises and phrases that will take your English to the next level. Until next time, keep practicing and mastering your English.